Hi adventurers, it's Mrs. Butler again. I'm just going to introduce you to some dandelion science. As you know, this is what a dandelion looks like. They are very useful flowers in your garden. They are great sources of food for bees and insects, and you very often, when you pick them, you'll see lots of tiny little black bugs on them. I'm going to use these today to show you how osmosis works. Another simple way of describing it is actually calling this experiment how to curl dandelion stems. You need to pinch off your stem like that, and then you're going to take a little knife like this, and you're going to split. First of all, cut it in half like that, and then turn it over and split again. Okay, split as many as you want, like so. So keep cutting and split until you've got a number of them ready to go. Once you've cut your stems, you'll see they're starting to curl up, but look what happens when you drop them into water. Keep watching, keep watching. Keep watching. You see, they are all starting to curl really quickly. The thicker ones might not curl as much as the thinner ones. But there you go. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? It's almost instantaneous. See, the thinner they are, the better they curl. Pretty cool, isn't it? I like those ones there, but this one has worked really, really well. There you go. They're the finished ones. You can make them into a tiny little fairy bouquet, or you can use them to stick on your collages. But it's just a really good way of learning how osmosis works. So the way osmosis works in dandelion stems, the outside part is hydrophobic, which means it repels water. So when you slice it open like so, you expose the inner parts of the stem, which are not hydrophobic. And when you pop them in the water, they suck up all the moisture very, very quickly, which is the actual process of osmosis. It's basically how a plant draws water up its stem. And as they do that, they begin to swell and they become really, really fat very quickly. And this is the process which is causing the stem to curl. And as they get more and more full, they exert more pressure onto the hydrophobic cells, which causes them to curl up. There you go. So that is how dandelion stems can explain the process of osmosis.